Introduction to Microchip Studio. Prepare a folder to store your work. Let's create the folder in the Document folder. You can name your folder using your admin number. Launch the Microchip Studio app. Create a new project. Select C Executable Project. Browse to your selected folder. Type in a project name. Choose your microcontroller. Type 328 in the search box. There are 3 options of the 328 microcontroller. Choose 328PB. The source code editor box opens. Click on the Tools icon. Select the debugger board. Select Debug Wire for the interface. Select Tool Chain. Set Optimization to None. Click on main.c to open the source code editor window. You may like to change the default source file name. Right-click on main.c. Select Rename. Let's call the source file exercise1.c. Edit your C source code. After you have completed your program, go to the Build tab. Click on Build Solution. Observe the output window. Make sure that the build process was successful. Go to the Debug tab. Select Start Debugging and Break. Observe that the program is loading into the debugger board. The debugger is waiting to execute the program here. Select Continue to continue running your program. You can stop the program anytime. You can use the icon on the toolbar or the command under the Debug tab. If you are required to continue with the second exercise, remove the first exercise. Right-click on the Project tab. Add a new item. Select C source file. Enter your C source file name. You can continue with your next source file. You will need to repeat the process of building solution. Again, observe the output window. There are errors in this build process. Edit your source code to resolve the errors. Build solution again. The build process is successful. Load the program using the commands under the Debug tab. When finished, stop debugging and close the solution. Let's take a look at your folders. A project folder has been created for you. You can see your C source files inside the project folder. If you need to rework on your codes, execute the Microchip Studio application again. Instead of creating a new project, open your project. This is your project file. Your previous development environment is preserved. If you want to work on Exercise 1 instead of Exercise 2, remove Exercise 2. Open Exercise 1. You can continue to work on Exercise 1. Let's assume that we are done. Close the solution. If you need to work on a new project, open a new project again. Make sure to select the folder to store your work. Enter a new project name. Select the microcontroller. Select the debugging tools. You can now start to write your new C source code. Let's take a look at your working folder. You have now two project folders. The C source codes can be found in the respective project folders.